Guys, this is how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and first I will teach you the first layer, and then I'll teach you the second layer, and then I'll teach you the third layer. So in this video you will be learning about all the algorithms in the cube. And now we have to solve. We have to start with a plus sign. Look at all these centers. Whichever color you want to start with first. For example, if you want to start with red. And in this cube, it has one dot in the center. For the plus sign, we gotta get this, and this to make the plus sign. And then I'll teach you what we need to do later on. So look, this is our front side, this is our left side, this is our right side, this is the top side, this is the bottom side. So look over here. There's two red over here. We need to get that over here. So what you do is go here, flip this down, and then flip that to the other side, and then go to the red, and then it's like already solved like this. So we got this here. Now we gotta get this, and this. So what we do is check over here if there's any edge pieces. There is one red edge piece here. So we gotta get that piece over here. So you just match it like this. And now we just gotta get this and this. Check if there's any more edge pieces on left or right. Is there any edge pieces here? No. Is there any edge pieces here? No. Is there any edge pieces? Is there any edge pieces here? No. Is there any edge pieces here? Here. Yes. Okay. Now just do this. Just flip it on top. And look. This came here. Now look, okay. Yeah, now look. We have this and this. Now we need to get a red here. Let's check if it's on this side. Nope, it's not on this side. Let's check if it's on this side. Nope. Let's check if it's on top. Nope. Let's check if it's on the bottom. Yes. But now, let's check if it's on the complete bottom opposite of this center. The opposite of red is orange. So you go on the orange side. Is there on the orange side? Is there a red here? Yes, there is. So we just have to get this red over on this side over here. Now go to the bottom. And now just flip it on top. And now go to red, and then flip it twice. And for red, you got a plus sign. Now we have to get the edge pieces. So red. I'm gonna start with this edge piece. So for that, I need to do this. Check on the sides check on the sides if there is any red. There's a red here, so you can just switch it and put it over here, and put it over here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So look, focus on the red piece over here. Just toss it 2 times over there, 180 degrees, and then go back to red. We're doing this piece, right? So put it up, and then flip the bottom 90 degrees, and you got the edge there. And now look at the red. I want to get this piece. No, I want to get this piece actually. So there's a red piece right over here, right on top of that. So now focus on the red piece. This needs to go here. So first we just make it go 90 degrees, and then 180 degrees, and then go to red. You gotta get this piece, right? Then up, and then 180, 90 degrees, and then go back to red. Yeah. And now we got that there. See, we got this there, this here, and this here. We just need 3 more pieces to go. Now, for that, you use the same algorithm, which is, if you want to get this piece up, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left. Do that until this piece came here. So I came here. Now we have 2 more pieces to go. This and this. So look at the red, and look at this piece. This piece has red here. So you must be wondering, why can't we just corner twist it? For some of you, this might ruin your cube, like it does to mine. So I'm just gonna skip the corner twisting. So use the algorithm. Down, right, up, left. Down, right, up, left. And now you got that here. Now you just need 1 more to go. Use the same algorithm. Down, right, up, left. Down, right, up, left. Down, right, up, left. Down, right, up, left. And then keep using that. Down, right, up, left. Down, right, up, left. Down, right, up, left. Down, right, up, left. Yeah. And now we gotta get the last red piece here. So use the same algorithm. Down, right, up, left. 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 Now you got the whole red side done. Now look at the side. Look at the side. Look at the side. Look at the side with this. This has green, green, yellow. It means green here. Check for the side with green. Does this have green? Yes, it has green right there. So we need to switch this. We need to switch this with this. How do you do that, you ask? We need to switch these two reds, which is pretty simple if you memorize the algorithm. So down, right, down, back up, and then down, left, back up, and then down, right, back up, and now you got blue and green done. Now you have white, white, yellow, and then yellow, yellow, white. Now you need to just switch the white and the yellow. This is how you do that. Middle down, and then this, middle back up, and then go back here, middle down, and then this, and then middle back down, and then go to white, go to yellow again, middle down, and then this, and then up, and now you got all of it. That's how you solve the first layer. Now you gotta go to the second layer. So pick a color like blue. So look, blue is these cubes. We just need to get a blue right here, which is pretty simple. This is how you do that. Okay, so find a blue here in the cycle of this, which I don't seem to find. So just move on to a different color, like yellow. Oh, I found the yellow right here, but that's connected to orange up here, so we don't need to do that. Find another yellow. If you can't find another yellow, move on to a different color, like green. Oh, I found a green right here. So now that connects to white, which is white right next to it. So that helps us. So now we just to get this over here, we need to remember this algorithm. Top. Okay, this goes like this, and then up, and then this, and then down, and then this, and then up, and then this, and then down. And now it came right here. So now search for a different green. Now look for a different green. Oh, I found the green up here and the yellow right here. So now we gotta get this green over here. Easy. Just the opposite. So top right, up, top left, down, top right, front counterclockwise, and then top right, and then down, back down. And then you got it right here. You got the green second layer done. Now do the same for the white too. Go to the white. But the white is not ready yet. So we try the blue. Let's see. Blue is ready. So now we search for a blue with a white. Like maybe this one. So just switch this with this. So you just do this from top right, left up, top right, left down, top left, front counterclockwise, and then top left, top right, and then down, back down. Now you got white and green done. Now we gotta just do blue and yellow now. Let's go to blue. Is there any blues? Do you find any blues? Yeah, I found one blue. But no, that's a yellow. So you move on to yellow. And then just do this. Just do this. Top right, left up, top right, left down. From counterclockwise. And then top right. And now you got the second layer done. Now we move on to the third layer. Look, whenever you memorize it like this, you need to find at the you solved red. So you go to the opposite of red, which is orange. So you need to find an arrow that is pointing to this direction. You need to just after that you need to just go here and then you just need to do this. Front counterclockwise, top left, right up, counterclockwise back, clockwise, and then yeah, you got it then. Now you got the plus sign. Now you check. So look, there's green here, right? So green is here. Is there anything else? No. So now you switch to white. Go to white. Now just go switch. Now there's a white up here. Now there's a blue up here too. So now if you go to yellow, if you do left up, top right, left down, top left, top right, and then left up and top left 2 times, and then got it. Now you have white here, blue here, yellow here, and green here, and you still have the orange cross. Now we need to check if everything's correct. Is this correct? No, because actually this is correct. This is correct because you need to check the colors. There's orange here, and orange connects to this. Blue is blue here, and blue connects to this. And white here, and white connects to this. So now let's check if everything else is correct. If not, just do this. Just do this. Just do this. So left up. Depending on which one is correct. This one is wrong. So you do the wrong one first. Up, right, down. Now you got. Let me check if I was correct. No, only one is correct. So you keep on doing that algorithm. This is correct. Is this correct? This is correct. Is this correct? This is correct. And this is correct. You can either corner twist it or you can do it my way, which is down, go here, down, down, and then you move there, and then you move here. And now you gotta solve the Rubik's Cube right there. Thanks for 19 minutes of your time. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to see new videos every week maybe.